So much adrenaline and energy and passion in these rehearsals that our dancers are just firing us to create more and more, and the process has been beautiful. We have to get those two balls this way. And then,
Now we're gonna do this.
they're gonna get to there, so the duet happens here. Go to research science, and it's growing, it's a never-ending growing process, and what I love about working with our dancers is everyone has their own ideas, so when I give them a step and after they try it a few times and feel it out, we always have communication back and forth. Okay, well, what if we did a little bit that way? When I do it, it feels a little more like this. Can we try that? So it's a very open, creative space. Sleep and awake, a place where you can still remember dreaming. That's where I'll always love you. That's where I'll be waiting. The show is basically taking place in a dream, and it's a love story between Jamie and Teddy.
People that you loved and you can't touch them anymore. They will always be there in your dreams.
If I should stay, I would only be in your way. So I'll go, but I know I will think of you every step of the way.